The plural of index number is called indices. When you have got a common base, the exponent can be added. In the 31, you have to see the 2, 6 mean difference. It will come 0.4950. Let the salary of Rama and Bhima is equal to x. 5x is equal to 9x. Increase by 1000. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Quantitative Techniques Part A, 4th semester BBA, in favor of model question paper, which contain, I divide entire question paper into two groups, Model A and Model B, which contains all the question paper problems are there, just like a syllabus, know all the contents it has got. So I will solve one by one. We'll move on to problem, first one by one, indices, then you have got a logarithm, you have got a ratio, all the problem I'm going to solve. This is the first problem. So this is based on index number. Here now, the plural of index number is called indices. When you have got a common base, the exponent can be added. If you go through 5 to the power of minus 1, 5 to be here now, here 5 is there, 7 is there, to the power of 2. You make like this. 5 to the power of minus 1. You take the upper null, it is minus 2. 7 to the power of 2. Minus 4 become plus 4. Whole to the power of 7 by 2. Into 5 to the power of minus 2. If the plus 3 comes to numerator, it becomes minus 3. Into 7 to the power of 3. If you come, no, it is plus 3. Whole to the power of minus 5 by 2. Simplify. This is 5 to the power of minus 3. 7 to the power of 6. Whole to the power of 7 by 2. Into 5 to the power of minus 5. Into 7 to the power of 8. Whole to the power of minus 5 by 2. So you take 5 one side, 5 to the power of minus 3 into 7 by 2, 5 to the power of minus 21 by 2, into 7 to the power of 42 divided by 2, into 5 to the power of minus 5 into minus 25, minus into minus plus 25 by 2, into 7 to the power of minus 40 by 2. This is simplify this. We'll move on. You take here 5 to the power of minus 21 by 2. Another is into 5 to the power of 25 by 2 into 7 to the power of 42 by 2 means 7 to the power of 21 into 7 to the power of minus 20. So this is 5 to the power of, so 2 is the LCM, minus 21 plus 25 into 21 minus 20. This is 5 to the power of 4 divided by 2 into 7 to the power of 1. This is 5 to the power of square into 7. This is 25 into 7. This is 25 into 7. 175 is the answer. So what I did know, I took the common here, 5 to the power of minus 3, 7 to the power of 6, 7 by 2, 5 to the power of minus 5. Then I simplify 5 to the power of 21 by 2, 42 by 2, 25 2. This is nothing but 21. This is nothing but, you can have this 5 to the power of minus 21 by 2 into 7 to the power of 21 into 5 to the power of 25 by 2 into 7 to the power of minus 20. That I took the same here 25, like so 175. Then this is a log table. this here now in the logarithm, multiplication means adding, subtraction means division means subtraction. What do you mean by? If you have got a 4 digit, taking the logarithm log table, using the log table. So if you have a 4 digits, 3 characteristics. If you are a 2 digits, 1 characteristics will go there. This is 3.1264. Taking the log on the both side, log x is equal to 4 log 3.126 square root half log of 0.256 plus half log of 763.3 minus, it becomes this no, minus 1 by 3 log 40.2 minus half log of this 552.2 minus 3 log 3.2. This entire log goes. Here 4 into, what's the log of this? 3.3 means one number, 0. If you see then the logarithm 31, 2, 6. In the 31, you have to see the 2, 6 mean difference. It will come 0.4950 plus half log. Here no, 1.4082. Half log of this 0.14082 plus half log of 763 means 2.8828 minus 1 log of 1 point. This is 0.256. No, here half of log of point means bar 1, 0.4082. Then here 763 means 2.8828 minus 1 by 3. Log means 40 means 1.6033 minus 1 by 2. 552. There are 3 digits. You have to take 2 characteristics. 2.74133 into 0 point here. Come back. If we multiply it is 1.9800 half into 0.1714. Here 14.01, 1.4144, 1 half into 1.4082. This is 1.7041. Here 1.4414. This is 0.5344. If you see that, if we divide now 0.1371 minus multiply 1.5153. If you have got, if you add all these things now, it will come 3.1255 minus 3.4207. So log of this here now, if it is log x now, for this you have to see the anti-log of this, anti-log of 1.7048. So here 5067 will come. Behind number is here no 1 means no, here 1.7048, anti-log will come 5067. So behind number is 0.1, n plus 1 here no, here 0.5067 will come. 0.1, 0.50 anti-log of this no, it will come. So in 17, in the 17 you have to see the 0, 4. In 17, 4 mean difference, it will come nearby 0.5067. So if you have got a 4 digits, you have to see the 3 characteristics. If you have got 3 digits, you have to see the 1 characteristic. When the answer comes, you have to look after the anti-log is considered. We'll move on. Sum of the 3 terms of AP is 18 and product is 92. Sum A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 18. You cancel the DD. 3A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Then product of A, product of AP, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 192. Or we can say that A into A minus D into A plus D is equal to 192. As per the formula, A plus B into A minus B, we know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Same you are going to apply A into A square minus D square is equal to 192. What's your A? 6. 6 square minus D square is equal to 192. 6 square is 36 minus d square is equal to 192. Then 36 into 6, 36 into 6, 216 minus 6d square is equal to 192. You take the 192 here, 6 that side. You can move on next one. Here you write 216 minus 192 is equal to 6d square. You deduct 216 minus 192, 24 is equal to 6d square, or 6d square is equal to 24, d square is equal to 24 divided by 6, this is 4, d square is equal to 4, d is equal to root of 4, d is equal to 2. The numbers are a minus d, a plus d. What's your a? 6, d is 2. 6 plus 2. The numbers are 4, 6, 8. 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6, the series. So, sum of the three numbers are, sum of the three terms of AP is a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 18, 3a is equal to 18, a is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Product of AP, a minus d into a plus d is 192, a into a minus d, a plus 192, a square minus d square is 192, a is 6 square minus d 192, it is 206 in, if you take now 24 is 6d square, or 6d square is equal to 24, d square is equal to 24 divided by 6 is 4, d square is equal to 4, d is equal to root of 4 is equal to 2. So the series are series a minus d, a plus d, a 6 minus 2, 6 plus 2. The series are like this. Very easy to go now. Now, we'll move on. Sum of all the numbers between 200 and 400 divisible by 9. So, we'll go like this. 200, which is the first number, you have to see that. 200 cannot be divided by 7. So, we'll go like this. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. How much left over? 7 2s are 14, 4 left over. So, the numbers, which is the first number, 200 plus 7 minus 4, 207 minus 4. Here, 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56, 4 is there. For first number, 7 should be added, 4 should be 277. It is nothing but 203. First number is 203. Divided by 7, 203, 203, divided by 7, 29. So, first number A is 29. Last number 400, divided by 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 remaining, 7 7s are 49, 1 remaining. So, what's the last says? Last number is 400 minus 1 is 399 is the last number. So, is it divisible? See that? 399 divided by 7 is 57. So, divisible. So, first number is, last number is 399. What's the procedure? Divide for the first number. 200 plus 7 should be added, minus 203, say last the last number should be deducted is LR 399. So first number is 29. Apply Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Tn is last number is 399. What is the first number is 203. Plus number of terms you don't know. The 7 is the difference. So 399, 203 plus 7n minus 7. Simplify 399, 203 minus 7, 203 minus 7, 196 plus 7n. You take 196 this side, 399 minus 196 is equal to 7n. Deduct 399 minus 196, 203 is equal to 7n. Then 7n is equal to 203. n is equal to 203 divided by 7. 203 divided by 7, 29. Number of terms. So sum of the number Sn is equal to, you can say that sum of the number Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Number of terms, a is the first term, l is the last term. N, 29 by 2. What is the first number? First number is 203. Last number is 399. So 29 divided by 2 into 203 plus 399, 602 divided by 2, 301, 29 into 301, 301 into 29, 8729 is a procedure. How to find out? First to find out the number, what I did know. For 200, 7 should be added, 4 should be deducted, is 203 divided by 7. First number is 203, A is 203, A is 203, L is equal to last number is 399. Apply, A is 203, I find out 7A, 7 is 203, number of term is 29, apply 8229. Then, which term of the series is 1,77,147? Here, A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, or 9 divided by 3 is 3. Second number divided by first number. So, the last number is 177. So, here first number 1, last number is 177. So, if we apply geometric mean AR to the power of n, AR to the power of n is equal to 1,77,147. What's your A? 1. What's R? 3 to the power of n is 1,77,147. This is 3 to the power of n is equal to 1,77,147. See that from the 3 how much will come here? 3, 147. You see that 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into how many times? No, you'll see that 3 into 3, 1 time into 3, 2 time into 3. Here, no, 3 into 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 3. 1 lakh for child. So 11 time. 3 to the power of n is equal to 3 to the power of 11 time. 3 to the power of n is equal to 3 to the power ar to the power of n minus 1. ar to the power of 1 n minus 1. We can see that ar. So first is ar to the power of n minus 1. We can apply this. 3 to the power of n minus 1. So 3 times n minus 1 is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 plus 1. N is equal to 12. ar to the power of n minus 1. ar to the power of n minus 1. A is the first number, r to the power of n minus 1. What is 3 to the power of n minus 1? 3 to the power of 11. 3 common. N minus 1 is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 plus 1 is 12. Simplification. It is 3 to, you can write that 3 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 11. 3 is common. N minus 1 is equal to 11. N is equal to 12. Simplification. ar to the power of n minus 1. Then you go to that one. Monthly salary of 2 person, Rama and Bhima, are in the ratio of 5:9. If their salary increased by rupees 1000 and the new ratio would be 3:5. Let the salary of Rama and Bhima is equal to 5:9. Bhima is equal to x, or 5x is to 9x. Bhima is equal to x, or 5x is equal to 9. Increase by 1000, that is 5x plus 1000 divided by 9x plus 1000 increase is equal to ratio 3:5. Divided by 3 divided by 5. Cross multiply. Let the salary of Rama and Bhima is equal to x. So 5:9 means 5x is to 9x. So 5 increased by how much money? 1 cross. Increased by rupees 1000. 5x plus 1000. 9x plus 1000 is 3 by 5. Cross multiply. 5 into 5x plus 1000 is equal to 3 into 9x plus 1000. Multiply 25x plus 5000, 27x. This is plus 3000. So 5 5s are 5000, 3 9s are 27x. So you take the number this side here, no? So 5000, 27, you take that 25x. Here 5x is to 9x. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 into 9x. 3 9s are 27x. 3 1s are 3000. This is 5 5s are 25x. 5000 is there now. If we take this becomes the, if we don't this becomes the minus 1. Here it will take no minus 5000. It will become the plus 2000. So 5000 minus 2000 is nothing but 2x is 1000. 25x, 25x minus 27x is equal to minus 5000 plus 3000. Okay. So minus 2x is equal to minus 2000. Cancel the minus minus. X is equal to 2000 divided by 2 is 1000. So x value is 1000. So what the problem says? 5x plus 1000. 5x plus 1000 is equal to 5 into, what's your x? X is 1000 plus 1000. So 5000. Then second one, 9x plus 1000. 9x plus 1000. Here this is 5000 plus 1000. 9x, 9 into 1000 plus 1000. This is 6000. This is 9000 plus 1000. This is 6000 into 10,000. So cancel the 0. Divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 10. They are in the ratio of 3:5. Same. Proved. We'll explain. Let the salary of Rama and Bhima is equal to x. 5x is equal to 9x. Increase by 1000. 5x plus 1000. 9x plus 1000 is to 3 by 5. So 5 into 5x plus 1. 3 into it is 25x. 5000. 27x. 3000. 25x minus 27x is minus 5000 minus 3000. This is 2x is to x is equal to 1000. So 5x plus 1000 is saying this is 5x plus 1000. 5x plus 1000. What's the x value? 1000 plus 1. 5000 plus 1000 becomes 6000. 9 into 1, 9000. So it becomes 6000. It is 10,000. Cancel the zeros. Divide by 2. 2 3s are, 2 5s are. So they are in the ratio of 3:5. Next, we'll go here. Cramer's rule. 3 2 y is there. So put here no. First one. Delta 3 2 5 2 5 3 5 3 2. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So go with this 3. What's left? If you give it no 5 3 3 2 minus 2. If it goes minus 2, what is left over? This over, this 2 3 5 2. Then if you have got a plus 5, 5 will go here. This will go 2 5 5 3. Simplify. 3 into 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. Minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are minus 15. Plus 2 3s are 6. 5 6, minus 25. 5 into, this is 5 into 2 3s are 6. 5 5s are 25. Simplify. 3 into 10 minus 9 is 1. Minus 2. Minus 15. 11. 4 is minus 11. So plus 5. 25 minus 6 is 19. So 3 1s are 3. 11 2s are plus 22. Minus 19 into 5. 19 into 5. Minus 95. So minus 95 here no. 95 22 minus 70. Delta is minus 70. I will do one for this. So then go with the delta x. Here if you go to same thing, delta x I will write. Other things remain. Delta x. How to write no? This to change to this here. 32, 31, 5. Second remains same. 2, 5, 3. Then 5, 3, 2. Rotation system. Same thing you have to do for this. Then you have to find out the value. We have done in the U2. Not necessary, but just I'll give an example. So here first you have solved like this. Then when you go to delta y, it will come 3, 2, 5. Then 32, 31, 27. Then 5, 3, 2 will come. If you go to delta z, then 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3. Last one 32, 31, 27. Once you solve now, you have to apply the formula. delta x is equal to delta divided by, here no, delta x is equal to delta divided by x, delta y is equal to delta divided by y, delta z is equal to delta divided by z. So we'll find out the value of x value, y value, z value will come. But it's only a rotation system, lengthy. It's just a rotation system you are going to do. Here first you have to apply 32, 31, 25. Hope you understand. We have solved the entire problem in the YouTube. Just I am giving the hint for that. That's why I am giving the hint for that. So here only thing, plus, minus, plus. First is plus, multiply this. When you go like this, now plus become minus. That's important. So if you take the 2 now here, this line will go, this line, what is left over? 2, 3, 5, 2. If you take this, no, this will come, this will be remain. If you take the 5 will go, this one, 2, 5, 5, 3 will remain. Same thing we have to adopt. When the 32 comes here, 32 comes here, 2, 5, 3, same 5, 3, 2. When you go to y now, here 3, 2, 5, next 32, 31, 27, 5, 3, 2. When you go to z now, here 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 32, 31. Once you find out the value, then we have to go with delta divided by delta x. Here we can say x is equal to delta x, y is equal to, you can have this figure. Once you find out the value, x is equal to x divided by delta x, y is equal to delta divided by delta y, z is equal to delta divided by delta z. Values. Substitute, you'll get it. Easy, but only rotation system you have to do. What's a Cramer's? This is called Cramer's rule. How to do this? This figure will come like this. Hope you understand. See, all these problem has been solved in the YouTube. Please refer the YouTube. You'll get the answer for this. We'll move on. So, a square minus 8a, 20, I is called identity matrix. First is the a square. 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. So, this is nothing but a matrix. So, this will go like this. It will come like this. Multiply 2 2s are, how to know? 2, it will come. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, plus 4 4s are 16. Come back to second line. 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Come back to third line. I think you are following. 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Come back to second row. 4 2s are 8, plus 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So come back to second one. 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Come back to third line. 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Here come back to third line. 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Third line, last line. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Then come back to second line. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Come back to last line. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So here, this is 36, 32, 32. Second one, 32, 36, 32. Next one, 32, 32, 36. Next, 8a, 8 into minus 8 into a. 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32. Then 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32. Then 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16. Then minus identity matrix is 20i, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20. How it is? 20, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20. Now come back. What is the first number? 36, 16 here now. 16 is 20, minus 20 is 0. Second one, 32, minus 32, 0 is 0. Then 32, minus 32, 0 is 0. Then 32, minus 32, 0 is 0. Then 36, minus 16 is 20, minus 20 is 0. Third line, 32, minus 32, 0 is 0. Next one, 32, minus 32 is 0. Then 32, minus 32 is 0. Last one, 36, minus 16 is 20, 20 is 0. All elements is equal to 0. This is called identity matrix. Identity matrix. Good job. I think you understand this one. This is very careful. 2 2s are 4. 4. This one go. This will come like this. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. Same thing you have done. So hope you have solved this. Hope you understand. So we have solved first group now. Indices you have solved. Logarithm you have solved. Progression you have solved. Geometric progression you have solved. Ratios you have solved. And I hope Cramer's rule I have given a hint. And matrix you have solved. Almost every type has been solved. We'll have in the next session whatever you have got binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and normal distribution. We'll meet in the next session with this item. Till then, goodbye.